Hello friends, welcome to my channel. So I'm there with another video, and in this video I'll show you my stock manager plus P&L report format. This is the similar format that a lot of people are using for inventory purpose. I have updated this format and it has now sales summary section, additional expenditure and P&L report. And in P&L report section, as you can see, it has expenditure, it has income, it has quite sales summary and sales chart. So if you're not familiar with this format, this is the easiest inventory management format for hotel, restaurants, cafe, your grocery stores, offices, for everywhere. So let me explain you about it step by step. First, when you download this format, first come to this item master, add item 102. Product code is not mandatory, it's optional. I add here banana, brand will be local, unit is kg, quantity 1 kg, price is 150 rupees. If I want to sell the banana with 200, and then we have the stock reminder, like the banana, if the banana will be less than 5 kgs, then I'll get a stock reminder in stock manager section that I'll show later on. When I have added this item, as you can see, the available stock must show 0. If it is not showing 0, that means this item is not added in rest of the place like purchase, sell, transfer, discard. So each item we add in our item master, make sure that we copy the item code if it is there, or only the item name in purchase. That's how I'm doing. Sell, transfer, discard and stock manager as well. So that's the thing you have to do. When you're done, come to the item master. As you can see, now stock available balance is 0. That means this item is added everywhere. Only this much you have to do in item master. Let's come to the purchase. So that's our purchase. When you come to the purchase, first we have the serial number, then the item code and item name, that just now we copy from the item master. Then we have the date from day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4. That's how the date will be till 31st, and after that the total section that will be count automatically. For example, for day 1 I have purchased mango 10 kgs and banana 10 kgs. Day 2 I have purchased banana 5 kgs but mango only 1 kgs. If I scroll it right, as you can see the total and the value of that. The sales section also the same format, day 1 to 31st, and after that we have the total section. Day 1 we sell the mango 3 kgs and banana 5 kgs. If I scroll it right, as you can see the total quantity of sale is 3 and 5 and the selling price. That's how we have the transfer. Transfer section work in two ways. If you have a go down or house, from there you transfer the goods to your other branches. At this time you can use the transfer section, but if you want to use this transfer section for hotel industry, there's a different scenario. We transfer the goods from our store to kitchen. So in this time also you can use this transfer section. For example, mango I have transferred to kitchen 2 kgs and banana 5 kgs. Discards, that means if some items are spoiled, we can add in this format. All the formats purchase, sale, transfer and discard work similar way. Now come to the stock manager. So far I have added mango and banana. This is our opening stock. I'll explain you now. Purchase is total 11 and mango and banana is 15. Total 11 and 15, and this are the cost, purchase cost. Then we have stock out section. Sale is 3 kgs and 5 kgs banana. Transfer is 2 kg mango and 5 kg banana. So this is the discard, like if something is spoiled, but there is no spoil till now. And this is the total stock out and the cost of that. Then we have the balance stock. In our balance we have mango 5 kgs and 6 kgs and banana 5 kgs, and these are the balance cost. Then we have the semi finish and the consumption. This section only work for hotel industry or kitchens. Suppose we transfer the goods to the kitchen from our stock, like mango we transfer 2 kgs and banana 5 kgs in our kitchen. End of the month when you do the inventory, I found still we have banana 1 kg left with us in our kitchen and mango we have 2 kgs. We have transferred 2 kgs mangoes, but it's not used. It is still there in kitchen. There is no order at all. Mangoes we have transferred 5 kgs, but 1 kg left only. In this case, you can see the consumption is 0 for mango and banana is 4 kgs. I have added 2 kgs semi-finish of mango, and the mango will be added to our balance stock because the mango is still with us. So that's how the consumption section works. And there you can see the total quantity of consumption, and that is the value of the consumption. One very important thing in this format, as you can see, there are some colorful areas. All these areas are loaded with formulas, so don't try to edit or delete anything from there. Only the white area like opening stock, semi-finish, and the item code, item master, and serial number, these are the places where we are going to enter data. So at the beginning I show how you can add the items and copy from item master to stock manager. Then you have the order reminder section like mango. I have set the mango reorder level 10 kgs, but if I check, mango is with us now 8 kgs, and that's the reason it's showing we have to order the mango, and this is the order reminder. Okay, opening a stock, like when you start using this format, maybe you already have some stock with you. You can add that quantity of that stock in opening a stock. Also, you have to use this opening a stock for next month because this format is for 1 month. After 1 month, you simply copy this opening a stock from here and paste it in opening a stock for next month, because this month closing a stock will be next month opening a stock. So that's all about a stock manager, very easy to use. Then we have the invoice. In invoice section, you can change the invoice, your company name, phone number, email ID and address. Change the logo, enter the invoice number, GST number of your company, and these are the company information, your company information. And if you want to send this good to someone else, you can add that party details or your customer details. If you click here, for now it is challan, and it has purchase invoice and sell invoice also. If I enter purchase invoice, so this invoice will be for purchase purpose, and if I select a sell invoice, so this invoice will be used for sell purpose. For example, I enter mango and 1 kg mango, the cost is 150 rupees. For now it is the sell invoice, but if I change it to purchase invoice, the price is 120 rupees. This is our price, purchase price. It has a option called challan. Challan, that means we are sending goods inside our company. Like you have our house or go down, you sending goods from your go down or house to other branches. It's your same company, so you're not selling them. At this time you can use the challan. And if I scroll it down, you can write some of the terms and conditions. These are the total quantity and the amount. GST you can apply, GST amount will be calculated. If you want to add the discount, you can add the discount. Let me show you the print view of it. So that's how the print view it looks like. It looks really amazing. So that's about the invoice. Then we have the sale summary. We have two sales section. One is sale, that we are selling here mango and banana. As you can see, the total amount of selling amount, how much is 1450. But in sales section only we can see the quantity, there is no cost, and whatever the amount we have received like 1450, we don't know what was the payment methods or how we have received the money from the customer. So sales summary we can add. We have check, cash, card, UPI, online, GPay, PhonePe online. So you can change it also as you wish. For example, we have added, we have received cash 500. We have added card 1000. How much was the total amount? Was 1450, right? So now it is 15. So okay, so it is now 1450. So we have received some cash also and card also. So that's how we can check that how we have received the money from customer. And in sales summary, these are the date 1, 2, 3 till 31st. Okay. So simply add like day 1, how we have received the money through UPI, cash, GPay, PhonePe, whatever. Then we have the additional expenditure. Except your goods, like these goods, raw material. Maybe you have some additional expenditure for your kitchen or business. That can be transport, shop rent, staff salary, blah blah blah. All these things you can add here only at this place. For example, staff salary. How much you have paid? You have paid this month when you give them salary 30, 1, 2, 0, 23. So January 31, 30 you have paid them. Total salary was like for example, or 5000. Let's add 5000. Only that much you have to do. Whatever the expenses you have, simply add the date, particular's name and amount. Then you go to the P&L report section. So this is the expenditure, this is the income, and here we can see our sales or income breakdown. So raw material expenditure is 1700, but additional expenditure is 5000. Total our expenditure is 6710. Income is 1450 only, and this is our day sale. Day sale means this sale, and sale summary is coming from here. Okay, and then cost is our 463. That means our expenditure is more than our income. So let's increase the income. Now as you can see, our expenditure is 8300 and our income is 10,000. So our food cost percentage is 83,000 and our profit is 1700. In payment method, quick sale summary section, we can see what was our payment type and how we have received the money from customers. Below we have a sale chart. You can see in cash we have received 450 and on card we have received 10,000. So friends, that's all about this format. This format is very useful, and already lots of people are using this format, but this is the new update of that. So if you want to download this format, the link will be in description box. Download this format and start using it. So this is simple Excel file. So online also you can use this file like Google Drive or clouds. Multiple people also can use. Friends, this format is for 1 month, and after 1 month make another copy of this format and start using that. And make sure that you copy your this month closing a stock as opening a stock for next month. That's the only things that you have to do, and copy and paste the item name and item code. That's all. Again you start using the format for next month. So that's how we can use this format for lifetime. So the link will be in description box, and thank you very much for watching this video.